How to earn money on YouTube. In this video I will be showing you how you will be able to earn money on your YouTube channel. Let's go right on the point. Before going forward the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful, and like and share the video so that it could help other people. So let's go in forward the subject now. How to earn money on YouTube. So let's go in ahead. In this video I will be showing you 5 different ways to earn money on YouTube. The first way, start earning journey on YouTube. The first way to earn money on YouTube is by membership. Create a fan club of membership paying monthly for access to your exclusive pick. As you can see right now on the screen, the description right now. Let's go in, grow your community and earn monthly. You turn your engagement subscriber into paying member and earn 70% of net revenue when you offer the pick. Best suitable for creators who want to take their channel to the next level. Here is the first method to earn money on YouTube. Let's go into the second way to earn money on YouTube. So the second way to earn money on YouTube is by super. Engage with your friend and show support through one-time interaction pushes. So as you can see right now on the screen, here is the second way to earn money on YouTube. So let's go in strengthen connection with your fan, super chat and super strike and super ticker and super thank. Help your engagement with your community and fair support with your super. You can earn each time found by a highlighted chat or animation message. As you can see the description of this way of earning on YouTube. So here is the second way to earn money on YouTube. Let's go in on the third way to earn money on YouTube. So the third way to earn money on YouTube is by shopping. So share product across your channel from your own store. That means that you could be able to have your own or your proper product that you would like to sell. So you could, let's read what is right on the screen right now. Turn your viewer into a customer. Get your product in front of the viewer on YouTube and boost your product sale. As you have here, you could be able to sell your own product on your YouTube channel. Here is the third way to earn or to generate revenue on your YouTube channel. Let's go in on the fourth way. Fourth way to earn money on YouTube. The fourth way, you could generate revenue on YouTube by watch ad page. Earn from ad and YouTube Premium on your watch page. So that means that YouTube will put ad while your video will be playing. So at the end, YouTube will pay you. So earn for watching the page. Earn when you watch your ad show around your content. As I said at first, ad free when YouTube Premium subscription with your content and the page. Here is the 4 way to earn money on YouTube. Let's go in on the fifth way to earn money on YouTube is by shorts. You could earn money on the short feed. Earn when viewers watch ad on your short feed and ad free when YouTube Premium subscribe you your shorts in your short feed. So as you can see on the screen, here is the 5 way to earn money on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to going forward. So thanks for watching.